Welcome back. This video contains short summary of things that we have learned in this section, and finally we have a challenge for you guys. So we started with learning about how to remove tasks safely. For that, we created remove to do item function, and inside remove to do item function we used filter function to remove the passed in item. So we are creating a new array which will contain all the items except the item that was passed in. So next we learned about how to display and update the task status. So inside the to-do list we have our task component, and inside the task component we have separate styles for the items that are completed. So the items that are completed, we added a style to show those icons in green color, and we added a style to show the pending items in red color. And and we also provided a functionality to update the status of task. So whenever we update the status of the task, the completed item should be changed to pending, and pending item should be changed to completed, and the color should be changed accordingly. So for that, we created change item status function inside our to-do app. The change item status function changes the status of the item from pending to completed, and if it was completed previously, it changes it to pending. It is using a ternary operator, and this is the true case statement. This gets executed if this condition is true, and if this condition is false, this statement gets executed. And once we change the status of the item, we set the state, and the component is rendered and the UI is updated. We pass this change item status as props to to-do list, and which passes it to the task component. And inside task component, we have added an on-click event on our list items, and inside the on-click event, we are calling the change item status function. And finally, we built a done component button. So this is a done button. The purpose of this button is to remove the task from the UI. That whenever this button is clicked, the to-do task will be removed from the UI. So here, if you can see, the app is running, and we have these 5 items in our to-do list. If I click this first item, its color is changed and it turns green because it is status is changed and now it is completed. If I click it again, its status changes to pending, and here you can see that there are 2 pending items and 3 completed items. If I click this fifth item, it moves back to the top and its status is changed to pending. And we have this done button. Whenever I click this done button, the item is removed. So if I keep clicking the done button, all the items are removed. So I can just add new items, item 1, item 2, item 3, and item 4. So let's change the status of the 2 items. So the challenge for you guys is that currently our change item status function is implemented in such a way that whenever the status of the item changes, that item is moved to the top because it is added to the front of the array. So if I click this item 4, its status will be changed to pending, and it will be on the top. So if I click this, it's moved on the top. Similarly, if I click item 1, currently its status is pending. If I click this, its status will be changed to completed, but it will go back to the top. So the challenge for you guys is to add a functionality so that whenever the item is clicked, its status is changed, but it remains on the same position. So our items are organized or arranged based on their ID and in the order in which they were created. So for that, you will have to sort these to-do items based on ID and then add them to an array. In next section, we will learn about our app navigation. Thank you for watching.